Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Green Cross Chronicles. Today, I'm taking you on an incredible journey into space. We're diving into one of mankind's greatest achievements, the International Space Station, or ISS. So what exactly is the ISS? It's a massive multinational space laboratory orbiting Earth at about 420 kilometers. The ISS has provided a permanent human presence in space since 2000. Let's start with some basic facts. The ISS was launched on November 20th, 1998, and the first crew arrived on November 2nd, 2000. It's a joint project involving the USA, Russia, Japan, Canada, and the European Space Agency. The station orbits Earth at 28,000 kilometers per hour, completing 16 orbits per day. It can house up to 7 astronauts at a time. The ISS is made up of 16 pressurized modules for living, working, and docking. The Zarya module was the first to be launched and provides power and propulsion. The Zvezda module houses the crew's living quarters, while the Destiny Lab and Columbus Lab are the main science laboratories for the USA and Europe, respectively. The Kibo module from Japan is the largest and is used for microgravity research. The station has 8 huge solar arrays that generate 90 kilowatts of power. The ISS also features robotics and docking systems like the Canadarm2, which helps assemble the station, capture spacecraft, and assist astronauts. Plus, there are several docking ports for spacecraft like Soyuz, Dragon, and Starliner. The main framework or truss structure holds the solar arrays, radiators, and other equipment. Thanks to the microgravity environment, everything inside floats. The life support systems recycle air and water to keep astronauts healthy, and they communicate with Earth using satellite links. Life on the ISS is both exciting and challenging. Astronauts from different countries stay for about 6 months per mission. Their daily activities include scientific research, exercising for 2 hours to prevent muscle and bone loss, and regular maintenance. They also get to video call their families and participate in public outreach events. Sleeping on the ISS means strapping into sleeping bags attached to walls, and food is specially prepared, dehydrated, and vacuum sealed. The scientific research conducted on the ISS is phenomenal. Experiments in microgravity help scientists study fluid dynamics, combustion, and material behavior in space. Space medicine research looks at the effects of long-term space travel on the human body. There are even experiments in growing plants in space, which will be crucial for future Mars missions. Resupplying the ISS is a constant effort, with missions from spacecraft like SpaceX Dragon, Russia's Progress, and Northrop Grumman's Cygnus delivering essential supplies. Now let's talk about some major achievements. The ISS has hosted over 3,000 scientific experiments, maintained a continuous human presence in space for more than 20 years, and demonstrated successful in-orbit assembly. It has been a symbol of international cooperation and has paved the way for long-duration missions to the Moon and Mars. But the ISS faces challenges too. It's over 25 years old, and maintenance costs are high. Plus, the risk of space debris means it has to maneuver to avoid collisions. Looking ahead, NASA plans to retire the ISS by 2030, making way for commercial space stations, while China's Tiangong space station is emerging as a new player. And here are some fun facts. The ISS travels at 28,000 kilometers per hour and orbits Earth every 90 minutes. It's the size of a football field and has traveled over 4 billion miles since its launch. Over 260 astronauts from more than 20 countries have visited, and it has witnessed over 130 spacewalks for maintenance and upgrades. In conclusion, the International Space Station is a beacon of global collaboration and scientific discovery. It's a stepping stone for future deep space exploration and commercial spaceflight, opening doors to humanity's future beyond Earth. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting content from Green Cross Chronicles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.